So we entrepreneurs are by nature self-reliant, industrious, and extremely independent. We hate to work for or rely on others, so we tend to do everything ourselves. But in this video, I want to encourage you to rely on others and seek their professional help. No one can make it to the top by themselves, and that's why you need to look into building you a real estate power team. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. You guys ready? Let's go. Welcome back, everybody. It's Tariq from Yes I Pay Cash and the First Class Flipping Academy, where I teach you about entrepreneurship along with real estate investing to help you achieve financial independence and grow your business. If you enjoy learning about real estate or being an entrepreneur, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Everything that we discuss will be time-stamped down below. You guys ready? Let's go. As a real estate entrepreneur, you are independent, but always remember that success is not achieved alone. There's just not enough time in the day for you to try to do everything yourself. That is why a power team is necessary for real estate investors. Build your team, work with them, but choose them wisely. So one important person that we all need on our team, we all need a good real estate attorney. Attorneys can draw up legal documents as well as give you advice on the legal aspects of the contract you are about to enter. Some attorneys can handle your closings as well as issue you title insurance. When searching for an attorney, try to find one with a background in real estate and one who can give you competent legal advice as well as business advice. So ask other investors in your area what attorneys they use. And if you keep hearing the same name over and over again, you probably found the attorney that you can work with. Another important person to add to the team is a good banker. Yes, while you can buy houses with no money down and bad credit, you probably won't become too successful without building good credit and having a good banker or two on your team. Building a relationship with a banker should be an important part of your overall plan. Your banker can provide you with the local building trends, present and future interest rate predictions, as well as new financing programs. Another asset to add to your team is good real estate agents. Finding one or two good realtors is of utmost importance and should rank high on your priority list of things to do. A real estate agent with access to the MLS and specializes in or knows about real estate investing is a must. He or she should be familiar with financing and knowledgeable about all of the current market trends. Another key piece to your power team is actually other investors. Many investors are actually fearful of forging relationships with others who are in the same business. They are afraid that they may divulge some information that may actually help the competition. So rather than thinking of other investors as your competitors, think of them as partners, mentors, motivators, or even buyers and sellers. Forming a relationship with other investors can actually help you determine which areas that you should invest in and which ones that you should avoid. Another important person to have on the power team, you will eventually need a good CPA and accountant. So even though you may not feel the need for a CPA or an accountant early in your career, and you may even prefer to do your own income taxes, but just let me suggest that you do try to locate one as soon as possible. Make sure they are familiar with real estate investing and work with other real estate investors. From time to time, you may need to ask them some tax questions, and eventually, you'll be looking to turn over that burdensome, unproductive job of filing your own taxes. An accountant can be a very important part of your team. not only in just your real estate acquisitions, but in your business organization as well. Another key member of your power team is a good insurance agent. As real estate investors, our needs are unique, and each property requires its own attention to detail. A great concern to those of us who are active investors is to make sure that our properties are covered even during periods of vacancy. So ask realtors and other investors in your area to refer you to some good insurance companies and their agents. Another important part of your power team when you're first starting out is to find you a good hard money lender. Hard money loans are a way to borrow money for real estate without using traditional lenders and banks. A hard money lender will fund the loan based on the property and not so much the borrower's credit score. Do know that hard money loans come with higher interest rates and shorter terms, usually between about 6 to 12 months. Now, one of the greatest assets to your power team is to have one or two good private lenders. Private lending, similar to hard money lending, doesn't come from your traditional banks. The funding is given just based on your personal relationship. It is possible your private money lender can be a friend, coworker, or even a family member. A private lender can close deals faster and with less aggravation than your traditional bank or even hard money loans. And last but not least, another great asset to have on your power team is a good contractor and a good handyman. It's always good to have a good licensed contractor as well as a handyman on your team. They can quickly provide you with the scope of work and renovation estimates of a property that you are looking to purchase. They are also good for making service calls and repairs to your other investment properties. So this video was more so about doing your homework, leveraging your time, and taking advantage of the broad range of expertise that other professionals in this business possess. So the more that you can learn about real estate investing in general, the safer your entry into the business will be, and the faster you will achieve those financial goals that you set for yourself. Welcome to the world of being a real estate entrepreneur. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.